Kingdom Animalia. The kingdom Animalia, or animal kingdom, is the kingdom of consumer organisms having an ingestive type of nutrition. It is the largest kingdom with over 1 to 2 million members. It has numerous, having different types of form, structure, organization, complexity, and development. The important groups represented by the kingdom are protozoans, sponges, coelenterate, worms, annelids, arthropods, mollusks, starfishes, starfish, fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Characteristics of kingdom Animalia. 1. Cellularity. Protozoans are unicellular, others are multicellular. 2. Eukaryotic nature. Cells are eukaryotic with the double envelope system. The cell wall is absent. 3. Nutrition. Members of the animal kingdom are heterotrophs. Members of the animal kingdom are heterotrophs. Common mode of nutrition is ingestive or holozoic. Some are parasitic. 4. Asexual reproduction. It is rare and occurs only in lower forms. 4. 5. Sexual reproduction. It is the common method of reproduction. Sexual reproduction involves the formation of gametes. They develop inside sex organs or gonads. Levels or grades or organization. Animals have 5 types of structural organization. 1. Protoplasmic or acellular level. Protoplasmic or acellular level. It occurs in protozoa where the organisms are made of single cells. The organization is at the level of protoplasm. 2. Cellular level. The body consists of many cells which are not organized into tissues, though some division of labor may occur. It is of 2 types. A. Cellular colony level. The cells are similar. Example, Volvox. B. Cellular aggregate level. The cells are of different types. Example, sponges. 3. Tissue level. Cell tissue level. The body is multicellular. The cells are organized into definite tissues. Example, gastrodermis. 4. Organ level. Tissue organ level. The body of multicellular animals have cells organized into tissues and tissues organized into organs. Example, some platyhelminthes. 5. Organ system level. Here, cells are grouped into tissue, tissues into organs, and organs into organ systems, each of which is connected with a specific function. It occurs in Aschelminthes and other higher level animals. Body symmetry. Symmetry is repetition or similarity in arrangement of parts. The animals which do not have similarity in parts or arrangement of parts are called asymmetric. Animals having symmetry are called symmetrical or symmetric. Symmetry is of 4 types: spherical, radial, biradial, and bilateral. 1. Asymmetry. The body does not have two similar halves by any plane of division. Example, amoeba. 2. Spherical symmetry. The body is like a globe where two equal halves will be formed by any plane of division through the center. Spherical symmetry is also called universal symmetry. Example, Volvox. 3. Radial symmetry. The body is cylindrical or discoid with equivalent parts or antimers being present around a common central axis. The body is divisible into two exactly equal halves, which are mirror images of each other by any vertical plane passing through the central axis. Example, many sponges, coelenterate, and echinoderms. Radial symmetry is primitive, and the animals having radial symmetry are placed into group radiata. It occurs in most sedentary forms. In animals with radial symmetry, only two surfaces are recognized, oral and abnormal. 4. Biradial symmetry. It is a radial symmetry where the body can be divided into two equal parts by two vertical planes. Example, some sea anemones, comb jellies. 5. Bilateral symmetry. The body is divisible into two equal halves by mid-sagittal plane. The organs of the body are generally paired. Example, annelids, arthropods, mollusks, and chordates. The animals having bilateral symmetry are placed in group called bilateria. The body of bilaterally symmetrical animals has an upper or vertebral dorsal side, a lower ventral side, left and right lateral sides, anterior or cephalic side, posterior or anal side, a proximal end and a distal end. Germ or germinal layers. Germ layers or germinal layers are primary layers that differentiate in the embryo at the time of gastrulation. Animals have a minimum of 2 germinal layers and a maximum of 3 germinal layers. All the tissues and organs of the body develop from germinal layers. A germinal layer gives rise to same or similar organs throughout animal kingdom. 1. Diploblastic animals. They are animals having 2 germinal layers, outer ectoderm and inner endoderm. A non-cellular mesoglia occurs in between 2. Example, Porifera coelenterata. 2. Triploblastic animals. They are animals with 3 germinal layers, outer ectoderm, middle mesoderm, and inner endoderm. Example, Annelida, Echinodermata.